another unboxing video. Today we are featuring the Z-Tech head and neck protection. Now, you may or may not be aware, October 1st, so a few months ago, a whole bunch of new standards came out, and it includes having a HANS device, aka the head and neck protection. In addition to, you have the new SA 2020 standards, so if you're looking at buying a helmet, you want to get an SA 2020, not an SA 2015 unless you're getting a substantial discount. For more information on that, click the link above to check out our recent helmet review. Now, with this, so the HANS device is the trademark name of a particular type of head and neck protection. So when you are shopping, say for HANS Post, you need to make sure, because the posts for these things are going to be very different depending on who the manufacturer is. So if you buy HANS Post for a non-HANS head and neck restraint, you might find yourself unable to use them. So that is something to keep in mind. HANS device is a head and neck restraint device, but the HANS name is for one particular brand. So commonly across the board, it's called a HANS device. You need to have a HANS device. What they're referring to is any approved head and neck restraint protection device. And that is what this is. This is one brand that is on the market available today. So this is the Z-Tech head and neck protection device. So we'll go ahead. Designed and assembled in the USA, patent pending. And we're in New Zealand. Anyway, so again, this came from Away Racing in New Zealand. It was shipped from the US and it came very, very quickly for international travel. We were really impressed with the time frame on it. So here we have the restraint device. Comes with Loctite, your posts, and your Z-Tech owner's manual. Cool. So, and a warning: after initial setup of your new Z-Tech, all screws and binary posts require application of blue Loctite included in the kit. And it's important that you check all screws and binary posts to assure they are tight prior to all races. So check that. Warranty registration card. So basically, this one is the Z Series 2A. This is meant to be flexible to fit your applications and also to fit multiple drivers. So a lot of them are a one mold size. This you can see back here, it's fully adjustable, so you can just get a flathead screwdriver and adjust the sizing according to how wide you need it to be for your racing. So what happens is the racing harness goes over these, so you put it on, the clips clip on to the post, onto your helmet, and then the racing straps, your harness goes over here, so it's fully under the straps. And then pull it down, tighten it all down, and then it basically keeps your head, your neck from snapping too far forward or back. So, because these clip on to your helmet, so you can only go so far forward or so far back. So it keeps you from doing that whole whiplash necky break thing. And again, so you'll see some devices come down further. There's a lot of different devices out on the market. They should all come with a certification. When that expires, you should be able to send them back to the manufacturer and get them reasserted. This is kind of designed to be nicer to your collarbones. And we picked this one. You can also adjust it here. So you can adjust here, you can adjust here, and you can also adjust the straps as well. And so we picked this one to be able to switch out between drivers in a race team, and also between what you're driving, whether it's a circuit car or whatever. So basically, that's what's in the box. And you can see here, oh look, it's already got my number on it. Here's the SFI cert right down there. And yeah, so pretty standard, pretty simple. You've got your 2 adjustments there. You can adjust the straps if need be, and then you just clip it onto your HANS posts. And you can see here, this is really easy. Apparently this is their 3rd gen of clips, and they seem to have figured it out. Easy snap on and pull right back off. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching this Gearheadgirl unboxing video. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please hit like and subscribe. If you are interested in having your product featured on the channel, please visit www.ghg69.com and click contact to get in touch. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.